What's up? What's going on, everybody? What's happening? S&P 500 of 46. Welcome aboard, my friends. I'm Jeff. We're day trading the S&P 500. That's what we do every day, right? Day trade the S&P 500. So let me go ahead and let everybody inside the room. I'm running a little bit late today. So give me a couple minutes and let's get this bad boy. I'm going to have some stuff scrolling across the screen. And then when we start, I'll take it off. But let me let everybody inside this room here. So just sit back, relax. We'll take a look at news items and all that stuff. We'll see if we can make some money today. It's Thursday, right? Hopefully y'all been catching some of my videos. Sheba! Woo! Look at Sheba. Sheba's popping. All right. Bam. There we go. Thursday. Rafa, dude. Here we go, my friends. All right, 46. 46. Let's see what else is happening with the market today so far this morning. We got a couple minutes here. Let's just bring this over really quick. Take a look at it. Futures contracts. So Dow Jones up 200. NASDAQ 319. Look at that breakout going on. Bam! You guys know I love the breakouts. NASDAQ's breaking out right now. Money's pumping in. Awesome. Silver's right there at resistance. Hasn't broke out yet. A little fake out happening, but got to get above there. Again, S&P broke out the other day, right? Let's draw that right there. Broke out. Basically, this is where the NASDAQ's at right now. Take a look at NASDAQ. NASDAQ's popping. S&P popped. Following through. What's going on, John?
Good morning, Jeff.
What's happening, dude? What's happening?
Another crazy day in the markets.
You know what? I agree, my man. Down, up, right? Shit. I love it, though, because... yeah, yesterday we lost that one trade. But you know what? I really liked it because you never know whenever it's going to pop and it's going to run. But if you don't take the shot, you're never going to know. The reality is when you get your shot, you take it, period.
Absolutely.
Yesterday, I just kind of hung around, didn't do nothing. But, if you don't take the shot, who's to say that, it doesn't break out and then run like all day? So I'm going to talk about that a lot because I want to just drill it in everybody's head. Yeah, yesterday, that trade, market just didn't do nothing. But that's, it is what it is. It is what it is. Rafa said we need a healthy pullback to get in long. Good morning. Good morning. So we'll see what happens. Lots to talk about. But yeah, that trade it didn't really do nothing. But if you look at the market yesterday, the market didn't do crap. Our system is all about putting ourselves in position when the market moves. Period. Take the shots. The market moves. Awesome. If it doesn't, nothing you can do about it. We'll see what happens. What's up, Roy?
Good Lord.
What's going on? What's going on? Thanks for being here.
Much. Yeah.
Another day. Let's see what, mate. Market's up pretty strong right now, so let's see. Let's see what happens. Like Rafa said, Rafa's looking for a healthy pullback to get long. Charles, what Charles said, he upgraded his computer, right? He said the Fed's speaking all day long. So we'll see what happens. Oh, speaking of that, let's go look really quick. We got about 10 seconds, but not 8:20. So yeah, right now he's speaking, right? You never know what can happen, but I'm not going to let that stop me. It is what it is. Unemployment claims at 7:30. Apparently they liked him. It was down. Market popped. So we'll see what happens. We've got 0 seconds. Here we go. All right. Let's take advantage of the action. take our shots when they come. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, we get out. That's the whole name of the game in trading, right? If you're going to trade this as a business, trade it out. What's up, Marco?
Good morning.
What's up, Marco? Hey, Marco, where are you at again?
San Francisco Bay Area.
That's right, San Fran. That's right. Gotcha, brother. Gotcha. What's going on, Jeff?
Hey, good morning, everybody.
What's up? What's up? I didn't know if anybody was in Florida. I can't remember, right? I just don't remember things that well. So didn't know if anybody was out there in Florida where that hurricane's about to smack them. It's already starting, really. Yeah, Florida takes a beat, man. It seems like Florida, every time I turn around, they're getting smacked around, dude. Yeah, go, pal, go, right? What a worthless loser. But it is what it is, right? I ain't gonna let, we trade what is, and that be the way it goes. 40, yeah, pal. All right, here we go. I'm just gonna let this shake out. Yeah, leave it to pal, though, right? What a chump. What a chump. Yeah, I'm liking it, too. My stocks are looking good this morning. Wow. Well, by God, I wish we would just get WBA. Eventually, WBA has got to come around. Other than that, we just keep going. All right, so here we go, my friends. I'm traded as is. I'm going to let 3 minutes go by, and then I'm just going to do the thing. I think I'm going to go ahead and mark this high right here, 27.25. I give it a width of 1. I'm sorry, not 27. Yeah, 27.25. Oh, what the hell? 27.25. Bam. Just follow y'all's plan, right? That's all you can do. Marky Mark, what's up? Mark in the house.
Morning, guys.
Hey, brother.
Jeff, is all that news out of the way for the morning?
Well, Fed Chair Powell's speaking. I think he's speaking pretty much all day long. So we're just going to trade it as it is. And whatever happens, happens, brother.
Hey, thank you.
That's all we can do, my man. And like Rafa said, we were pumping 50 since the market opened. We're already down to 37. Good old Powell, all right? What a worthless chump. Ticks are positive, though, so here we go. All right, let's mark the low. 16.25. 16.25. Give it a width of 1. What's up, Dr. Al? And now it's time to work, baby. I will be looking to go long, and I'm going to set up on the 75 call options. That's where I'm going to do it right now. Hey. 75 call options to go long. I'm not looking for much. In this first 15 minutes, I'm going to be honest, I'm not looking for much. I'm just looking for 1, maybe 2 strong candles. Get out. But I'm interested in going long on a breakthrough 27.25. I'm not interested in going to the short side right now. Let's see if we can get some action today. Yesterday, man, that market didn't do crap. Didn't do nothing. But, the reality is, hang on a second. I forgot to do this real quick. The reality, let me stop this. Stop this. And go here. All right. So back to what I was saying. The reality is when you get into a trade, you have no idea what's going to happen. Period. You can't get in any trade thinking this is going to happen, this is going to happen. That's not the way it works. You see your setup, you get your entry, you take the trade. You manage what happens. If I was worrying about what's going to happen, I would never be taking a trade. Right? Because you're constantly talking yourself out of a trade. If you get your setup, you take the trade. Period. Again, if not, you ain't never going to take a trade. How can you make money if you don't ever take a trade. It's like you have a store full of goods. How can you make money if you don't sell nothing? Take your trade. Don't be afraid. Whatever your rule says, it says. Right now, my rule says break through 27.25. I go long if I get my entry signal. And that's it. I don't care about nothing else. I don't care about this news item at all. Because it was at 8:20 and it's red. I understand he's speaking all day, but that means nothing to me. What matters to me is if I get the signal, I take it. When I have a red news item, I wait a certain period of time. That time's over. So we did break to the downside. I'm going to go ahead and erase this key level. Make sure you got the software in the members area. It draws it for you. It markets up 35, but you know what? My portfolio keeps going up. Man, my stocks are pumping today. 100, all of them are up right now. 100% of the stocks that I own are actually up right now. I like it. So in that first 15 minutes, I'm only interested in setup. Okay, I'm only interested in the advanced setup 1. That's it. Okay. Be mindful, you might get a trap here. Ticks are 800. So right now, buyers are in control regardless. At the beginning, there might be some intra volatility. It is what it is. What's up, Marky Mark? Oh, I thought you came off mute. I don't know if you want to say nothing. I'm just going to put you on mute. If you have to say something, just come off. It's all good. Again, I'm going to take my shots every time I get them. I can promise you that. I don't care. It is. There's no way you can make money being scared. If you're scared, you might as well not even trade. Or get yourself a better plan. All right, ticks are popping up. Okay. Market's up, about to be up 40. All right, let me kind of bring everybody over here. If you got any questions, type it in our WebEx. Also, Charles is typing in and Rolf is typing in the futures room. So make sure you pay attention to what they're saying in the futures room. And I go back up. I like it. I like it. Everybody's like, oh, it's going short. The market's going to fall apart because Powell's opened up his mouth. Well, you lost. I'm just waiting. I'm still looking at those. I don't remember which one I had before, but I want to go to 75s. Yeah, that's where I want. Yeah, right now it's about 57, 58 cents. So I'm going to take a pop up through that key level. That's where I'm at right now. And I'm going to take shots all day long if necessary. And then at the end, you just see how you do. Right? You take your shots throughout the day. And at the end, you see how you did. You can't let your P&L make your decisions. Charles says, okay, watch for a retest. All right. So right here, guys, what do we got? 2 candle pattern known as a trap. What does that trap mean? That means the shorts just got trapped. But again, these are quick pops, right? That's just a quick trap. I mean, just traders who jumped in short, they got stopped out. And now they're going to, this might come back down and get them again. It takes them a while before they learn their lesson, right? Don't anticipate. Don't anticipate. Trade what's in front of you. We're selling off a little bit on the ticks. Long day. Okay? But again, Powell needs to shut up. because I need this market to go up. I got a bunch of stocks, and I sure would like to see them super positive today. Dirty rat. I'm in no trades. Yesterday I got, stopped out of real estate for a winner. I'm going to talk about that today in the options. So I did win, and I'm going to show it to you. But I'm in no short-term trade. So this isn't messing me up at all. It's just I have some longer-term stocks that I really would like to have them go up. All right? Ticks are picking back up. We got to hold that 0. Not much. Just be patient. Have a little patience. Here, they're coming back for more. I am going to go ahead and I think I'm going to go ahead and mark this low. I might change it because it's not set yet. But 15.17, I'll probably double up on this key area up at the top, which is that 27.25. So when I make it purple and I give it a width of 2, okay? We're overlapping key levels. Just information, right? I'm still not interested in going short. There's a shark in the water. We know that there's a trap, so this could come down and boom, get them again. I would not be surprised. We know there's buyers right there. Okay, so we closed again. They're making another attempt. See how this candle does. Again, I'm only interested right now there. I'm not interested down here because I know that this is where they're fighting, right? If this goes back up, that'll be a double trap. I don't want to be a part of that. $286, $270, $268, $236. So they're pumping down a little bit. I want to see if we hold that 0. Usually when they gap up, you get that flag, right? They gap down, you get that flag. So we got 2 minutes left before our next setup opportunity. Okay, so first setup opportunity did not present itself. If you have any questions, type them in our WebEx chat group. We're in the live. Y'all are in the school. This is the Trading Part-Time University. You're here. Right? Type it in the WebEx. If you're interested in, Charles's, type it in the futures, right? The WhatsApp. Rafa's in that futures WhatsApp. He posts his thoughts all the time. Rafa's been doing this a long time as well. So it's good to get other people's perspectives, right? I'm trying to fight this here. Market's up 34. Nasdaq's up 239. Dow's up 28. We got to have that Dow stay positive. I know Jeff watches that Dow. We want to see that Dow stay positive too. So does that Raggi, right? She looks at the Dow Jones as her confirmation. The main thing I will let you know is when you trade the same system over and over again, you're bound to get better. All right, so here's what I think I'm going to be doing. We still have 30 seconds left, so I'm going to wait. I'm going to go ahead and clear out my active trader because we might go negative here in a minute. We might be looking to go short. I don't care. I'm just going with the flow. That's it. I don't know what's going to happen. When my edge is present, I take a shot. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I don't care. What I'm looking for is small losses, big wins. And on the days that it pumps, I want to be a part of that action. And yesterday I was in it. It didn't do shit. So that option got tore up. But that's why, we buy low 50 cents or less on that aggressive, it is what it is. Now, this will be setup number 2 normally. All right, let's go ahead and mark it. So let's get ready to rock. I'm going to mark this key level at 1275. 1275, mark it purple. Give it a width of 2. There we go. Let's go ahead and mark this right here. We got our first level. Now we got fair game, right? Fair game. There's our levels. 1228, 1570. So I don't have anything on my active trader yet. I'm still undecided what's going to happen. So I've got a blank. You can see over here, I got a blank, okay? I have 2 screens. I always paste it in and I trade on active trader. It doesn't matter what broker you have, Ninja Trader, Click Futures. I would say my recommendation would be have 2 screens, man. One to where you're just placing your trades and the other one where you're watching the movement. So I watch the movement. I place my trades based on the ES futures. You can buy calls on the SPY, puts, ES, MES, whatever. But I watch the ES. That's what I make my decision on, buy and sell. I've been studying this ES for a long time. We work on getting better every day. Just improve, 1/10 of 1% every day. Just improve. That's your goal every day. Just to get a little bit better. Right now we're just flopping around. It's okay. Market's up 37. So far it looks like we might hold that 0. We're starting to pick up. Ticks are 570. Want to see them in this range up here. Like to see them get up here, stay up here, maybe shoot up here. That would give us some power, right? That would give us some pop. Don't do nothing yet. There's no setup yet. A lot of patience, right? That's all you do. You wait. You wait. When the market's ready to go, you take it. Yeah. You too. Rafa said, I have a $75,000 PhD in ES. You better fucking believe it. I lost over $75,000 in 2 years. I know, Rafa, you're probably right up there as well. We took an absolute annihilation. Hard lesson. All right, so here's the deal. There's a couple things I'm talking about. So look at the VIX. The VIX is giving us some information, but these ticks are contradicting that. So I'm going to back off. All right? $75,000 PhD in the ES whooping. Pay attention to this. Write in your notes. You want to recognize these things. Like right now, I want to go short, but I'm getting conflict of information. Like I said, that was a very expensive PhD. The PhD in ass whooping. Oh God, dude. For those of you that know, me and Rafa took a beating for a solid 2+ years trying to learn how to trade this son of a bitch. Wasn't easy. But I can guarantee you I'm super focused right now on my plan. You better believe it. Back then I had no plan. So don't ever try to day trade this S&P 500 without a solid plan. No matter what. Right now, I want to go short, but I'm not doing it. I'm getting conflicting messages. Let me type in our chat. Conflicting messages. Why? There you go. And I'm typing in our WebEx. And now look what happened, right? I'm gonna keep typing. Right? I'm just constantly typing of what we're seeing. Y'all are here. You're in this private WebEx. This is good because we're learning and trying to get better every day ourselves. That's the whole name of the game. Just keep watching. We got time, plenty of time. The one thing I can stress you is when you get your shot, you take it, and that's it. If it works, awesome. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Not a lot of moon. Okay, I'm going to type in our chat right now. Read what I put. Rafa said, we did learn how to trade the ES. Have a plan. Trade the plan. Stick to the plan. Small losses, big wins. Trade clean, clear entries according to your plan. That's perfect. Okay? We did learn. Number one, have a plan. Trade the plan. Stick to the plan. Your plan should produce small losses, big wins. Trade clean entries. Perfect. You do that, you win. You do that, you win. All I do here is trade my plan and teach people my plan. Everybody's got their own style. They mix it in. I'm teaching my plan. You can take it, trade it. That's cool. I don't care. Or you can just add to what you're currently doing. That doesn't matter to me, right? It's your money. I'm just teaching my plan. And as I teach my plan, it keeps me accountable to my plan. All right, so now, hang on a second. These ticks are selling off a little bit. The juice right now. It's got to break soon, though, guys. You know, these late breaks, they get low probability. Type it in the chat. This is... Oh, I didn't mean that. Remember, studied this a long time. What happens is these breaks, if they don't occur within a certain period of time, they become lower probability. I'm going to be straight up with you. I absolutely love the breakout for day trading the S&P. It's so weird because when it comes to option swing trading, my favorite entry in the world is the bounce. When it comes to day trading, my favorite entry is the breakout. It's so weird. So weird. All right, not yet. Market's up 35. Hasn't done pretty much. It's almost trapped within that 3-minute range almost. You see, you can get a lot of these wicks, so you get a lot of little fake outs right here at this key area. So you got a couple traps, a couple fake outs. So they're definitely fighting in that area. Not a big deal, but okay. Again, look for the information. Drink some water. Don't make this harder than it needs to be. Just keep the emotions out. If you have a plan and you trade the plan, you shouldn't have emotions, man. The only way you got emotions is that you're putting too much money into a trade when you get into it. Risk a little. Like tiny. That'll keep you focused on your plan. Don't try to make all your money for the week in one trade, man. A couple $100 a day, you're fine. Don't trade your way out of this game by over leveraging yourself. I'm telling you right now, that will solve almost all of your issues. Just trading small. Like, that's it, you know? Look at Rafa put in there. Okay, so let me think for a minute here real quick. All right, so we're breaking to the downside, but I'm not interested in that. Like Rafa said, you better believe it. I'm extremely consistent. Everything has to line up. Everything. The problem with this, guys, this is a late break. And he absolutely, I'm a momentum trader. All I can do is take my shot when my edge is present, and if the momentum continues, manage it. If it doesn't, get out. And lots of times, whenever they don't align, like Rafa said, it's just sideways mess. Sometimes you get in the trade that's perfect, and it doesn't do nothing. Yesterday, some bitch didn't do nothing. But I don't care. I'll take it again. Execute your plan every day the same way. You better believe I'll do that. And I am a momentum trader. Everything I do is designed to catch momentum. Here's the little BGO. When you get into a trade, you don't know if the momentum's going to continue. But if it does, you manage it. If it doesn't, you get in, it rolls over, you get out. If you knew which one of those breakouts or bounces were going to continue momentum, you'd be a billionaire and then some. You take this shot. If it doesn't work, you get the heck out. If it works, you ride the momentum until your plan says get out. What else is there, man? What's going on right now? I'm going to type it in our chat right now. Y'all see it? You see what's going on? When in doubt, stay the heck out. We will enter when everything lines up. We also got another little fake out. We got a lot of, look at this. This is all sideways destruction. All right, let's go ahead and triple up. 27.25. A lot of sharks in the water, eating each other to death, right? And plus, people are jumping off the boat, getting destroyed. I hate to see it, but there's shark attacks all over the place. All right, now it's going back up. What the fuck? Again, I don't care. I don't care. $25. All right, there you go. Let's go ahead and mark this level. Might change, but I doubt it. There's our levels. Let me get ready to mark up the VIT. Now, we still got, we need exactly. We need a Jaws. I love it. I think we're going to need a bigger boat. Exactly. I think we're going to need a bigger boat. Look at this. All right. 20 seconds. No more setups until the 30 minutes, right? 10 seconds. And then we're going to get ready for the next go round. Good job. Give yourself a pat on the back. You stayed out of a disastrous. All right, let's mark it. All right, cool. There you go. Let me go ahead and put it in the WhatsApp group. For those of you following along at home. Bam! Love it. No pain. How do you say it? No pain. No fear. Right? No fear. Ticks are popping up, baby. Dun, 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 dun. I want to go long. I want to go long. Please give me opportunity. Remember, you take it if it happens, and that's it. I'll tell you when I'm going long. Not yet. A lot of volatility in here. Just get ready. Just back off, though. Be ready when it comes, right? But right now, we just do nothing. We do nothing. No follow through right now. There's no momentum. That's fine. That's fine. Rafa nailed it, right? Nailed it. Right here, right off the bat, was the first trap. Once that first trap happens, that's the first shark in the water. From that moment on, I told you this would probably go back down and come back up, and look what it did. Yeah, depends. Let me see real quick. Yeah, if I was gonna do the, which I think I am actually. So I'm looking at everything's in play right now. So remember my terminology. Advanced, aggressive, basic, right? I'm just watching. I'll tell you. Don't worry. So actually, I'm going to be looking at the... shit. I'm going to wait. You got plenty of time. Remember, advanced, basic, aggressive. Yesterday, there was no advanced or basic. I took an aggressive and I lost. But I didn't have an advanced or an aggressive or a basic. That aggressive, it's one of those, it is what it is, right? If it doesn't work, so what? But if it works, it's like a home run, man. I'm watching. I am looking to go short, though. Man, I'm looking at those 72s. That's going to be close, but I might end up paying a little bit more than I want to. I think I'll go the 72s. I'll probably end up paying a little bit more than I want to. Not yet, though. Anticipating that we're going to go short. Not yet. Everything's lined up, though. If you don't want to do the aggressive, stay out. If it works, it's a home run. If not, it usually isn't that bad. Yesterday, though, the market was on crack. My microphone's in a way I can't see. Damn it. I might end up paying a little bit more than I want. All right, so what I'll do is I'm going to jump in early. I didn't want to pay more. So I went short on the aggressive. Again, it's aggressive. Remember. We're getting our sample size too, right? Now we'll look to add to this trade with either an advanced or a basic. Okay. So right now I'm looking to add to this trade, and I will add Probably on the same ones, to be honest with you. Those 72. Wow. 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 Hang on, guys. I'm about to have to sell one. It is pumping. You know, let me hang on. It's got so much going on, but that one's already up a lot. So hang on a second. All right, cool. Okay, cool. All right. So we got us a shark in the water, my friends. That I don't like. All right. All right, cool. There we go. Mark that level. All right, Rafa. Gotta go, my brother. Appreciate you, my man. Appreciate you, brother. Now I'm staying in that trade. I'm looking for 20 cents. 20 cents is going to be my first line of attack on that one. And I'm going to stay in it until it either I get stopped out or that some bitch happens. Fix your negative. And again, I'm going to put in our chat right now. Again, I'm willing to add to this trade. Don't worry, but it's just a tricky one. In order for us to get an accurate count, we need to trade it the same way every time, right? Not our P&L. Not our P&L. You are getting a basic entry coming up with that arrow. If it pops through here and closes, you can go short via the basic. Charles went long. He's crazy. I went short. He's fucking nuts. Well, he got stopped out. I wasn't even paying attention. He got fucking stopped out. Nothing happening right now. I want to add to this trade, but we got to pop through 0727. All right. So I kind of broke my plan. I went ahead and took some profit. I couldn't take it anymore. I had to get out of 20%. I'm still in the trade on the other one, though. But what I want to do is I want to set my stop loss at break even. I don't want to lose any more. Okay. So what I want to do is sell. Yeah. So I got a stop at break even now. Hang on. What's going on here? Accept. Okay, cool. All right, cool. So I took profit and I put my other stop at break even. Probably shouldn't have, but you know what? I'm looking at my P&L and it's looking pretty good. So I went ahead and taken. Like I'm winning. I've already won no matter what because I can't lose. And this is telling me all right. So I'm going to sell another one. I did 3. So I'm going to keep that last one no matter what. You know, I'm really was looking for this to continue to pop down here. So I just got so far 16 points or 16 cents, plus 16 on that one. That's really good though, guys. Like, that's how you do it, bro. All right. So if we close back inside, we're going to have to mark this casino floor. So that was a big one. Plus 16. Plus 16. Probably should have stayed. But I'm going to be honest with you. I'm still working on my aggressive. Because there was no exit, but I did. I got it. I know what I'm going to do, guys. Here we go. So on that aggressive, remember, the whole name of the game is to break and run. So if you close back inside the range, get out. Get out. And that's what happened. So because the whole idea is we stay in this trade because, again, we believe it's going to go short. But once it closes back inside there, I think that that's an exit we need to do no matter what. So, yeah, regardless, we stay in the trade as long as we're pumping or we close back inside the range. Is that good? So I got out. I wasn't looking at it like that, but I think that's the smart move. I think that's the smart move because we're looking for those days that it pops and this runs. And if it goes back, there's a problem there. So I'm out of the trade. I got 16. What'd y'all get? Tell me in chat, what'd y'all get? We won. We win like a lot. The awakening. Hey, my friend, I don't know if you're still here. Thanks for popping in. All right. Yeah, we won 16, right? Not sure if you're still here because I guess sometimes I forget to look over there, but thanks for being here. For those of you that are in the members area, live coaching, Brandon, Dr. Al, Jeff, John, Marco, Mark, Roy, let me know. Did y'all get any points? Did y'all get any? We got 16. Okay. All right. Glad you're here. All right. So let's keep watching. Thanks for popping in. So we go live on YouTube almost every day. So hear me out. Somebody asked me the other day. So here's the deal. I'm all live on YouTube. We're just trading. We're hanging out. Bam, bam, bam. We have a members area where we actually go over the rules, right? We have private WebEx. Right now, we're into private WebEx. I answered questions in there about the rules. You get the course for free. If you get the coaching, you get the software, TD Ameritrade for free, right? It draws all your key levels. So there's so much stuff, right? So members get all that. And right now, like I said, I'm typing in the chat saying why I'm doing this, why I'm doing that. So just so you know, but thanks for popping in. I try to go live here. We do day trading, option swing trading. Bam. Okay. Go from there. And then I answer questions in our private WebEx. Thanks for being here. All right. So what's going on now, guys? I'm out of this trade. I like that. I like that rule. I like that. Right now, though, my bias is down, right? I'm looking for this market to go down. But we don't jump in. We wait for our next opportunity. Look at these ticks, too. They're starting to flatten out at zero. So this could go choppy and sideways. But I know that's a good idea. When we get into that aggressive trade, we're looking for it to move. If it closes back inside the breakout, that's a problem, right? Now, what's our next opportunity? So since we're inside the range, if you're in here, I'm looking to trade, just so you know. But you can only do the advanced. Setup number 2 or number 3. Remember, inside the course, in the advanced, there's 4 setups. 4. And I'm telling you what you're allowed to do. Advanced, 2 and 3. We got our basic. There's only 1 setup. Right now with the aggressive, there's only 1, but we're working on adding it. As of right now, you cannot do the basic or the aggressive. You're only focusing on the advanced. And you're going to become a quick scalper, okay? I'm only looking for like 5 points. I'm being honest with you. I'm not looking for much. But we got to get our entry. So what I like to see is a snap at his key level. Hang on, let me show you. Snap at his key level. Come back and activate that and go to work long. If that happens. If not, you're not allowed. You got to let it break here to the downside. And then you can look to go short via the basic. Okay? That's your only opportunities. You're not allowed to do the advanced short because you got this casino floor and we know that's a problem. If you want to do the basic, you can. But what I'm going to encourage you to do is risk small. You know, right? When the basic requires this Ready, Aim, Fire Pro. The basic requires the Ready, Aim, Fire Pro. And you know sometimes these buy and sell signals, they can flicker around. You might have to take a couple losses before you get a big win. Right now, I've taken 1 trade up 16, and now I'm waiting. Market's up 33. Does that make sense? Everybody good? All right. All right. Right. Marco, Roy, Mark, John, Jeff, Dr. Al, Brandon. If you have any questions, type them in. Also, Charles is posting. So now I'm back on the sidelines waiting for the next one. Now I'm typing in our group. Okay. Just keep watching the clues. Right? Right now, we got a lot of stuff happening. Like, well, not really a lot of stuff. That's not true. This is our layout. Inside the futures day trading course, the very first video is called Setting Up Your Charts. I even give you the code to just copy and paste, and you got it. And that includes all the other, like it includes this, I mean, shit, right there. That pays for more than a year's worth of the program. Like way more. It's like nothing, man. We make that every week. You make more than you'll spend in an entire year. But it's up to you. It doesn't matter to me, right? I mean, y'all are in it. So, I mean, y'all obviously you made a commitment here. Just stay in it, right? Because the markets change. What if these things that are working change? Right now, though, this is kind of what happened yesterday, right? I absolutely love that addition to the aggressive rule. I love it. I love it because we'd be in this trade right now and we'd be sitting right at break even, if you know, or maybe stopped out on the second back half because the market's still showing me it wants to go down. It's just a matter of time before it collapses based on the information right now. If it does, no, I mean, it won't surprise me. Okay. Won't surprise me. That's the direction you really need to stay, is on the short side. I know that's tough to say when the market's up 31, but I feel this collapsing. I don't want it to collapse. No. I don't want it to collapse. What's going on? Is it Colonel? Colonel, what's up? Welcome aboard. All right, see, this is not a surprise. I'm expecting this market to go down. If we get a pop through 0727, you can look to do the basics. So I'm going to type in our WebEx right now, our private WebEx. This is important when I'm going to type. There you go. Look what's happening. This market is primed to roll over. That sucks. I don't want it to, but that's what's looking like it's going to happen. Now, you've got this casino floor, right? You cannot trade inside the box. That's a no-fly zone, right, Jeff? Our pilot, no-fly zone. What's up, Jason? Exactly, right, brother? No-fly zone, baby.
Air traffic control but not clears to enter the airspace.
You ain't lying, right? Air traffic control say, get the bug out. But we've already made 16. And again, I'm looking for this market to go down. That's the information that I got. Right now, it's just chopping sideways. People are trying to call the bottom, right? They're like, it's going to ruin it. It might. But I see this shit going down. And if it goes down, no surprise, right? No surprise. And you can trade the basic with a pop through 0727 according to your rule. As far as the advanced, you're going to be looking step 2 through 4. As far as the aggressive, well, I've already cleaned 16. I'm not jumping back in the aggressive, right? I got my money. We added a new kind of a guideline to the aggressive, right? Because again, I can't survive. Well, I mean, we would still be up money. I'm looking at the option now. You'd still be up. Even if you were still in it, you'd still be up. But God, who wants to torture themselves in that? I mean, this market's going to go down, but I don't want to watch my P&L go up and down, up and down. Right now, you still be up. I mean, I'm out, but shit, you'd still be up. You already locked in first round. Look, it's going down. Everybody good, right? That's the high probability. This market is going to go down. But we wait. What is that saying? Trust, but verify. Like, we trust it's going to go down. And look, no surprise. People think it's going to bounce or trying to call the bottom. But look at that. Were y'all ready? That option, not a problem. It's so easy to spot when you know what you're looking for. Almost everybody didn't see that coming. They were thinking it was going to bounce. We were like, no, this is going to go down. Okay? Now, do we have an entry yet? Not yet. Let's wait. If you want to do the basic, you can jump in on the 72s. Not yet. But this was, damn it, I should have stayed in that fucking option. That bitch is up to 87 now. Fucking son of a bitch. Actually, that option I got in right now, if I would have just stayed in it, Oh my God, it's $1.40. Holy crap. Remember we didn't have an exit? Oh my God. If I would have stayed in it, I'd be up 200%. What the fuck? Hang on, guys. This threw me off. There was no exit. We had this new kind of filter. There's no exit. That option. No. It wasn't up that. Okay, good. It was up a lot, but not that. Okay, good. But sorry, I was freaking out there for a minute. But again, it's going down, right? No surprise. If you want to take the basic, get in on the 72s. The 72s. The 72s. You got clearance. You got clearance. Jeff will tell you. Air traffic control. You got clearance to go short. But guys, we called that. When it was up here, what did we say? We said the market was going down. It's a beautiful thing. All right, I don't know if you got in it, but you had clearance to get in. You could have picked it up at about 72. It's about 70 cents is what it was. It was those 572s. 70 cents. Okay. Wow. Did you see it come back up like that? 71. Remember, if it doesn't work, you get right back out. It's not a problem, right? So in this case, you're operating here. So if you're going to do the basic, the rules, I'm going to write it in our WebEx. Here's the rule. Okay? That's the rule. On the basic. And remember, with the basic, I'm noticing sometimes you get stopped out about 2 times before it takes off. So you get stopped out a couple times. Do not be, how do you say, surprised. Okay? Do not be surprised. Bam! Look at you. Guys, how beautiful is that? Did we call that or what?
Jeff, you are the best, bro, honestly.
My man, I really appreciate you, brother. Mark, we called that when it was up here. Everybody else was looking to go long and take the bounce.
Sometimes, just human nature. I'm saying, really? Does he really think it's going to?
Yeah, right? I know.
Yeah, really.
I know. I had no intention of going long, 0. I'm in this right now, and I'm doing pretty good. And I'm already up 16. And I might...
Listen, I'll say it again. I've said this before. Even if you kept someone from going long,
that was worth it.
It's worth the nominal fee that you charge.
I agree. I agree, brother. I agree. Yeah, it's again, guys, if you think about what happened, the market was right here. It was starting to go long, and we said, we see the market going down. And look what happened. There you go. Right? There you go. I'll add to this trade too. Again, just do your thing, right? This is where you sit on your hands. Now, I won't be adding. If these ticks are positive like that, I will not be adding. Okay? Will not be adding. I'm going to type in our chat, okay? Remember with that basic, one thing I'm noticing is sometimes you take a couple losses before you get the big-ass winner, but when it wins huge. The trade I took earlier was the aggressive, but like Mark said, just knowing when not to go long is worth the price of admission, even if you don't trade.
Jeff, if I could, I came up with another analogy, right?
Go for it, brother.
If anybody shoots pool, right?
Right, I do.
You do the break, right?
Right.
When do the easiest shots occur, right?
In the beginning.
Right after the break, it's
Yeah.
some easy shots.
Yep.
Why do you want to hang around for all these difficult bank shots and sideways shots, right?
Man, that's a good analogy.
Let's go. Let's wait for the next break.
That's my favorite. I'm telling you guys right now. And I mentioned this in the beginning. It's very interesting because when it comes to option trading, my favorite entry is the bounce. When it comes to the futures, my favorite entry is the breakout. Go figure, right? Go fucking figure. All right, I'm going to jump out with 10-cent gain really quick. Hey, you got it, brother. All right, I got out at 80 cents. I still got another runner. I just took 10 on that one, so I'm at plus 26 so far for the day so far. But anyway, I'm going to stay in that other until we get a legit exit. I just wanted to get some money so I can feel good about myself. But the bottom line is what I'm so proud about is when it was up in here, everybody was going long, and we saw this going the exact opposite. And it was, if you know what to look for, it's quite easy. But I'm going to tell you right now, I'm going to, again, you already know where I'll get out on the next one. So the next one, since I already took some profit, I'm going to be patient. Again, we don't know if the momentum is going to continue, right? We don't know this, but it is what it is. I'm not going to be adding to. I'm not going to add, and I'm going to type in our chat. I will not add with that happening, okay? You never add to the downside when that's happening, ever. You're good so far. A lot of patience, right? Trading requires a lot of patience. Lots of patience. Yeah. I would like to see this market go back up, though, to be honest with you, because I got a lot of stocks right now, and I could use them going up for like a fucking month. Right, Jeff?
You got it, man. just waiting for that green to start rolling in.
Yeah, no shit, right? You know, in my stocks, so it's kind of a mixed bag of tricks right now. I'm positive on, let me see here. You know, I'm positive on about half of them, and I'm negative on the other half. So
Bitcoin ETF's coming back to life again, too. Bitcoin's up pretty good this morning.
yeah, once Bitcoin breaks to new all-time high and runs, Mara and Riot, they're going to pop up hard.
Yeah. Right on.
So we just have to be patient with them. Guys, this is a test of my patience on this son of a bitch. What are y'all barking at? My dog's fucking barking and shit. But guys, I mean, are y'all happy? I mean, I'm so happy. I really love this. I'm glad I added this new one. I was wrong a minute ago when I said 140. I was looking at the call option side. So we did good. You know, we did good, right? You want to stay in that trade as long as that main key level holds, right? And right now, I'm telling you right now, I love breakout. I cannot believe how much I love the breakout entry on the futures. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead. Almost as soon as I said that, right? As soon as I said that. I'm still in that other one. Yeah, let's go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and jump out of that other one at 64 cents. I'm anticipating that arrow. You know, I didn't push the trigger yet. No, I'm not. I was about to pull the trigger. I didn't do it yet, so I'm going to wait. I'm still in it. I've already sold for profit on the one leg. Okay. Oh, man. I almost pulled the trigger, dude. Wow. I would have broke my rules, right? This is where it's got to close, right? All right. Now I'm jumping out. Okay. 62. All right. Cool. 62. So on that trade right there, it was only 6 cents total, but hey, I'll take it. 6 cents. Not much, but again, look at it didn't follow through, right? Again, you get in, you get out. If it follows through, it's a home run. If it doesn't, in this case, it was like a little base hit. I mean, come on, dude. That's 22 on the day, right? Plus 6 on that one, right? Let me write that down in the chat. Plus 6 on that one. So that's 22 on the day. I'm done, right? I'm done. But let me give you guys some little thought process. You're back inside the casino floor, right? You're back inside the casino floor. You can't trade in there. This is a tough one. You did get your, God, this is a tricky one. Because you'd be looking for that bounce trade to the downside, but man, you're inside that range. Honestly, if I were y'all, I would back off till the afternoon. Take the money that you made and be very happy that you got it because it was pretty choppy. Pretty choppy. I'll take mine to the piggy bank. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to get ready for options. And like Mark said, you know, or hopefully y'all did great. Mark, I appreciate those words, right? Just knowing when here and when not to here. I'm telling you right now, your best bet is to, if it trades and closes back inside that range, you will need to, look at that. Wow, I'm glad I got it. You will need to extend your box all the way down here. Look at it. Bam! Good job, guys. That's why we exit. Give yourself a clap. How you lost on that one? You must not have taken a little bit of profit like I did. It's okay. That's why, you know, it's kind of one of those that I'm watching it, and I'm doing an even number so I can take profit. Because I'm realizing when it moves, take it. Because you never know if it's going to stay down. So that's one of the things that I'm learning through my back testing is no matter what, have something in mind. When you hit it, sell half of it, man. Sell half of it. Because again, in this particular case, you don't know when it's going to keep going down. So you just stay in it, right? You sell your half, you get out, you regroup. Whatever happens, happens. But this is where if it closes back inside here, you're going to need to extend that box all the way down to here. And guess what, guys? It's 938. So if it closes inside the range, not only are you going to extend the box, you're going to extend the box all the way up to here. This is the no-fly zone. Stay out. You will get picked apart. But that's your call. Okay? I always go back and look at it between 12 and 1:30. So today, I'm done in the morning. I'm taking my plus 22. And I'm going to wait until this afternoon and not give back 1 penny of it. Bam. All right. So we're going to do option swing trading here in a second. For those of you that are watching us on the tube, right? Let's kind of pop it up here. For those of you watching us on the tube, hey, thanks for being here. I might do the options tomorrow, but again, it's the same concept, right? Same concept. We're in a private members area. There's a lot of stuff that goes with this. Right? We're staying on right now in the WebEx. We're going to do option swing trading, right? Flags, squeezes, all that stuff. Naked put, anything you guys want to talk about. Thanks for popping in. Give me a thumbs up if you're watching on YouTube. Subscribe so you don't get missed, right? We do this every day. Spread the word, man. I need y'all's help. I appreciate it. The more help you give me, the more shit I give back. I can promise you that. Peace.